Hello everyone, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. This is day 28 of our 100 days interview question challenge. Let's go. And today's question is, what are Angular pipes? Explain with examples. What are pipes in Angular? In Angular, pipes are used to transform or format data directly in the template without changing the actual data in the component. You can think of them like filters, which make data more readable for the user. Now let's talk about some of the built-in pipes available in Angular. Pipes help us transform data directly in our templates. Let's see a few examples. Number 1, date pipe. It formats a date value into a readable form. For example, today pipe date : short. This will display today's date in a short format, like the 16th of October 2025 and current time. Number 2, uppercase pipe. It converts any text into uppercase letters. For example, name pipe uppercase. If name is Stack Over Chai, it becomes uppercase Stack Over Chai. Number 3, lowercase pipe. This does the opposite, name pipe lowercase. If name is Angular, it becomes Angular. Number 4, currency pipe. It formats numbers as currency. For example, price pipe currency : INR. This will display the price in Indian rupees, like 499 rupees. Number 5, percent pipe. It converts a number into a percentage format. For example, marks pipe %. If marks equal to 0.85, it displays 85%. Number 6, slice pipe. It extracts a portion of a string or an array. For example, name pipe slice : 0:4. If name equals Angular, the output will be Ngu. So these are some of the most commonly used built-in pipes in Angular, and they help make your templates cleaner and your data beautifully formatted. Types of pipes in Angular. There are two main types of pipes in Angular. 1. Pure pipes. These pipes are executed only when the input data changes. They are fast and efficient. Most built-in pipes like uppercase, date, and currency are pure pipes. Example, username pipe uppercase changes only when username value changes. 2. Impure pipes. These pipes are called every time change detection runs, even if the input data has not changed. They can handle mutable data like arrays and objects. However, they may affect performance if overused. Example, a custom pipe that filters a list in real time can be impure. Example of built-in pipes. Here, uppercase converts text to capital letters. Date formats the date nicely. Currency displays the price in rupee format. All this formatting happens only in the template, keeping your TypeScript code clean and simple. Let's look at an example of a custom pipe in Angular, called the reverse pipe. TypeScript file. Here, we create a custom pipe using the @pipe decorator. What's happening here? We give our pipe a name, reverse. The pipe implements the pipe transform interface, which requires a transform method. Inside the method, we take the input string, split it into characters, reverse the order, and join them back into a string. So, it simply reverses any text that passes through it. HTML file. Here, we are using the pipe just like any other Angular pipe. We pass the string, Angular, through the reverse pipe. So that's how you can create your own custom pipe in Angular. It's super useful when you want to perform repeated transformations, like reversing text, formatting data, or applying custom logic directly in your templates. Key points to remember. 1. Pipes transform data in the template without changing the original data. 2. Built-in pipes are easy to use for formatting text, dates, numbers, etc. 3. You can chain multiple pipes, name pipe uppercase pipe slice, 0:5:4. Pure pipes run only when data changes, impure pipes run on every change detection cycle. 5. You can create your own custom pipes for specific needs. So that's it for today's video. We learned what Angular pipes are, their types, and how to use built-in and custom ones. In day 29, we'll continue with another important interview question, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Stack Over Chai. See you in the next one.